Welcome viewers. Today we will be discussing the troubleshooting of Exchange Dirty Shutdown error. This error results from inconsistent transaction log files, due to which EDB or STM files are not properly detached from the transaction log files. The error is displayed while the administrator tries to access the Exchange database file. Run the command in the command prompt as an administrator to find the state of the private EDB file. For the public folder EDB file, run this command. If it shows a dirty shutdown state, then there is a need to resolve the issue, as the database is not accessible now. Let's start the troubleshooting. First, take a complete backup of the EDB files and ensure about 1.2 times of database space is available. Run the inbuilt Eseutil utility from the default location. First, execute this command to check the database consistency. If a dirty shutdown state is displayed, run the soft repair. Check for consistency of the database using the first command, and if the dirty shutdown state is still there, run this command to perform the hard repair. Next, perform the defragmentation with the below command to eliminate empty spaces. Finally, check the database integrity with this command. Again, check the database consistency, and this time database will be in a clean shutdown state. The above troubleshooting method is useful when the issue is not severe. However, for highly corrupted EDB files, we recommend all to go with the advanced kernel for Exchange server tool, capable of fixing all types of corruptions and errors to provide a healthy database. Visit the website to know complete details about the features and functions of the tool. Have a nice day.